Greetings, my name is Timothy Collinson. I'm the Faculty Librarian for Technology, and this short video is going to show you not how to find journal articles, but to find journal titles if you have that particular need. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and you'll see that we're going to library.port.ac.uk, and this is a good place to start your searches. We're going to click on the Search Library Resources up here in the top right corner, and we're going to go to our Discovery service to do this. And we might as well click there on the advanced search page, or you might already be there from a previous search. So this is a great way of finding lots of useful information, and you can do article searches here. But if you want a journal title, come down on the left-hand side to where it says Research Tools and then Publications. And these publications mean journal titles. So if we want to, for example, search for The New Scientist, we can do that very simply, and it will show us that we've got this journal both in the Academic Search Ultimate database and in Computers and Applied Sciences Complete. Now, two things to be aware of here. Firstly, many of these databases will just give you the text. So if you need the layout and the images, they may not be any good for that. It will depend, so you'll have to check that out and see if it's useful for what you need. And the second thing to note is that this journal search, the publication search, doesn't show you the fact that we've got this journal in print in the library. You'd need to come into the library, obviously, and it's actually kept in the current issue very close to the cafe. So if you want a cup of coffee and a browse through The New Scientist, you can do that. But do be aware that you would need to just check with us or check with the library catalogue specifically if you wanted to know whether we had a print version of it. But for electronic access, this will do very nicely, and you can see here that we've got it from 2002 in both of these databases, May 2002, but there is a month's delay, so you won't be getting the very latest 3 or 4 issues. You'll be getting them from 2002 through to about a month ago. So hopefully that gives you a help in finding journal titles if you need to do that. And if you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to get in touch with us, and we'll do our best to help.